Hello, welcome to the Excited Education channel, which is changed the name and called Chris Khan Academy. Now our channel is called Chris Khan Academy. Subscribe to our channel, share, comments, and like. So now we brought you a good content for those who studied biology in senior 6. We are going to show you the advanced level biology national examination and marking schemes since from 2005 to 2019. So I'm going to scroll and then you will see the question paper with all about questions and followed by its marking scheme. So here we have the content. So our content is the national examination papers for advanced level from 2005 up to 2019. Starting, so it is what we call top 10 study tips. You have to note these tips so that you will follow each and everything and try to understand it. Have all your material ready before you begin studying: pencil, pen, paper, calculator, or if necessary, and be positive. Make sure you brain hold onto information you are learning by reminding yourself how important it is to remember the work and get the marks. Take a walk outside. A change of scenery will stimulate your learning. So these are 10 tips you can make before you react to each and every question provided in this paper. So here there is question what and what is required for you. If it is analysis question, this means a numerical answer is required. In general, you should ensure you are working, especially where 2 or more steps are involved. There is a question which is classify. So if it is classification, group things based on common characteristics. So it is compare, point out or show both similarities and differences between things, concepts, or phenomena. If it is definition, give a clear meaning. And if it is describe, state in words using diagram where appropriate the main points of a structure, process, phenomenon, or investigation. If it is determine, to calculate something or to discover the answer by examining evidence. If it is differentiates, use difference to clarify category. If it is point about discussion, study all information and read the conclusion. So explain, make clear interpretation, and spell out. So it is identified, it is a label, it is a list, it is mention, name, state, suggest, or tabulate. So here this is a question word to help you answer questions. So if you found that this one of the question word starts for a given question, make sure that you are able to know how you are going to refer to that question. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. This is the Einstein also it is so. So let us try to go ahead. Starting from the advanced national examination 2050, subject is biology, combination is biochemistry. So any combination bearing chemistry and biology, they are able to do this question paper. So here there is a question for section A. Attempt all question in section A. First question: what is in what part of a eukaryotic cell does DNA replication takes place? So what other types of molecule apart from nucleotide are needed for DNA replication to take place? So these are questions starting from first question. This paper is comprises about 20 questions. So read carefully, and then we are going to show you its marking scheme. So these are questions. If you have pen and paper, just you can note it down. We will give you at least 2 minutes to read the questions, and then we will show you the marking scheme. These are questions. Diagram below. So better if we are giving you at least the marking scheme, it's better to write down it. After noting down, then you will study very well by answering the questions. If you have a question which is very hard to you, just take a pen and note it down. After this, we will show you the answers, then you fix those answers to the specific question or the appropriate question. Name the factors that make malaria a difficult disease to control. Explain why there is a high risk of cholera in a refugee camp. These are questions, very serious questions. So you can pause. Yeah, if you are watching this video, you can pause and then you write the questions, and then after write the answers. The better thing we brought to it is we give you each and everything about question and answers. This is the diagram below shows main stages of aerobic respiration. This aerobic respiration, you know that is 3 parts: pyruvate, cyclic, and electron transport chain. So there is appropriate question for this diagram, like these ones, and then you have these answers. Growing plants that produce both sexually and asexually. What are the advantages of this to such plants? This is a question. So answer any 3 questions. This is section B. This is about osmosis. Neighboring plants cells are shown in the diagram A and B. In which direction would there be a net movement of water molecules? These are questions. Compulsory question. Section C. So this is where the question paper comprises 20 questions. So now let's go on its marking guide. Marking guide for advanced level biology national examination 2005. These are answers. question answers for section B. Number 14. Very good question about osmosis. So this is the part 1, where I found that there is a question paper of 2005 National Examination Advanced Level Biology, and then we show you the current questions, about 20 questions, and followed by the appropriate answers. I'd like to invite you to keep on touch on the Grayscan Academy YouTube channel. So we are going to upload the next year, 2006, the question paper and its answers. This will help you to pass your national exam and understand very well about biology and know each and everything about biology. So allow me to end here, then we continue at the next paper, which is 2006. Thank you for watching this video. May God bless you.